Binibining Candelaria 2012. She is our last candidate, number 48.
Candidate number 48 is Laika Dao. She is 16 years old and a graduate of Sayabas Western Academy. She was the Mutiana Masi in 2011, first runner-up and swap from me in 2011.
Second on the list, number 33.
Candidate number 33 is Wendy Joy de Mayuga. She is 18 years old and taking up PS Development Communication at Adventist University of the Philippines.
Our third finalist, number 36.
Candidate number 36 is Julianne Gutierrez. She is 17 years old and a student of Our Lady of Assumption College, taking up Customs Administration. She was 2010 JRACS second runner-up.
Fourth finalist, we have number 38.
Candidate number 38 is Jasmine Chumatera. She is 16 years old and taking up PSIT at Southern Luzon State University, Chaong Campus.
Halfway through, number 44.
Candidate number 44 is Catherine Joy Magundayaw. She is 18 years old and currently taking up agriculture at Southern Luzon State University, Chaong Campus. She is the Miss SLSU first runner-up.
Halfway through, 39.
Candidate number 29 is Gia Jocelyn Javier. She is 17 years old and taking up hotel and restaurant management at Manuela de Verga, Candelaria.
Say hello, number 28.
Candidate number 28 is Lani Makasayo. She is 18 years old and taking up hotel and restaurant management at Verga, Candelaria. She was the third runner-up in the Union of Filipino Tourism Educators at Otang Pinoy 2012.
Our eighth spot belongs to number 35.
Candidate number 35 is Princess May Molata. She is 15 years old and she is a student of Verga, Candelaria.
Number 35. Only 2 spots remaining, and one of those spots belongs to number 32.
Candidate number 32 is Rachel Joy Mayuga. She is a graduate of Computer Science and Information Technology at CSPC Sariaya. She is 17 years old and she is Miss Welcome Quezon, Miss Shruti Colon 2012.
And our last spot belongs to Binibini number 40.
Candidate number 40 is Donalisa Ocampo. She is 15 years old and a student at Manuel Macasaet National High School. She is the Miss Foundation 2012.
There you have it, guys. Congratulations to our top 10 finalists of Pinoy Binibining Candelaria. You may now relax first backstage as we prepare for the question and answer portion. Before the most dreaded part of the show.